Tomorrow, I am presenting to a group of marketing automation specialists, and I want to present the Leads tool in a way that makes them go, wow. So what better way than to add in our AI assistant area, a prompt that specifically talks to marketing automation. And I'll give you the prompt in just a second, so you don't need to copy that down. I will include it underneath this video, but check out the results. So this prompt literally says to look at the business website, analyze it, give some strengths and weaknesses, and come back with some suggestions. Why? Because I'm presenting to a specific group of people who have that requirement. So popping a prompt into our AI assistant is a great way to do that. So for example, I've got some real estate companies here, and I want to run that prompt as a marketing automation company and see what kind of information comes back. So we're just going to run this prompt and see what it comes back with some detailed understandings and information on this particular company and how marketing automation might be able to help, doing some strengths and weaknesses for them using that marketing automation as a banner. So let's see what it comes back with. There we go. Current strengths, website content, active social media, things that they could do, some CRM implementations that they could engage in. What a great way to get some very detailed information for a very specific niche of people about how they can use the tool. So when you're presenting the tool to a group or to somebody, think about how they would use it and how they would get great strengths from it, because then you can add that to the AI assistant area and you can really wow them with something unique and specifically tailored to them. So presenting to marketing automation experts tomorrow, I'll drop in the prompt underneath this video, but looks like it's putting out some pretty good information. So having a think about tailoring your presentation to a particular audience, use the AI assistant to really think about how we can present the data in a way that is relevant for them.